Zenarmor versus Suricata network security tools. Choosing the right network security tool can completely change how you protect your network without unnecessary complexity. Zenarmor offers simplicity and efficiency, while Suricata delivers advanced, customizable threat detection. Zenarmor and Suricata are both powerful network security tools, but they differ fundamentally. Zenarmor focuses on user-friendly, streamlined intrusion prevention with easy deployment, while Suricata provides a highly configurable open-source intrusion detection and prevention system with deep packet inspection capabilities. Zenarmor is a next-generation firewall and network security tool designed for simplicity and performance. It works by inspecting network traffic in real time, blocking threats, and enforcing policies with minimal configuration. Zenarmor integrates seamlessly with popular firewall platforms, offering a clean interface and automated threat intelligence updates. Its strengths lie in ease of use, fast deployment, and efficient resource management, making it ideal for small to medium businesses or users who want robust security without deep technical overhead. Zenarmor excels at preventing malware, ransomware, and intrusion attempts with less manual tuning. However, its limitations include fewer customization options compared to more complex systems and reliance on predefined rules for detection. It is best suited for organizations seeking effective network protection with straightforward management and minimal maintenance, especially where IT resources are limited or simplicity is a priority. Suricata is an open-source network security engine focused on intrusion detection, prevention, and network monitoring. It analyzes network packets in detail using signature, protocol, and anomaly-based detection methods. Suricata supports multi-threading for high performance and can process complex traffic patterns, making it suitable for large-scale or high-throughput environments. Its strengths include extensive customization through user-defined rules, compatibility with various logging and alerting systems, and support for deep packet inspection across multiple protocols. Suricata also offers robust community support and frequent updates, allowing users to adapt to evolving threats. However, its complexity requires more expertise to configure and maintain effectively, and it may demand greater system resources. Suricata is ideal for security professionals or organizations with dedicated IT teams that need granular control over detection rules and want to integrate with broader security infrastructure. It suits environments where detailed network visibility and flexible threat management are essential. Comparing Zenarmor and Suricata highlights a trade-off between simplicity and customization. Zenarmor provides quick setup and effective protection with minimal effort, perfect for businesses prioritizing ease of use and consistent security without heavy technical demands. In contrast, Suricata offers deep packet inspection and highly customizable rule sets, making it suitable for complex networks requiring tailored threat detection and integration with advanced monitoring tools. For example, a small office might benefit from Zenarmor's straightforward deployment and automated updates, while a large enterprise or managed security provider could leverage Suricata's flexibility and detailed analytics. Zenarmor's lightweight design ensures lower resource consumption, whereas Suricata's multi-threaded engine handles high traffic volumes but needs more tuning. Ultimately, the choice depends on the user's technical capacity and security needs. Choose Zenarmor if you need efficient, easy-to-manage network security with fast deployment and reliable protection, especially in smaller or less complex environments. Opt for Suricata when advanced customization, detailed network analysis, and integration flexibility are priorities, especially for larger organizations with skilled security teams. Both tools excel in their domains, so aligning your choice with your network's complexity and resources ensures optimal protection.